Hello, good morning or good evening or whenever you're listening. It's Ben's first day of work experience. And he's doing his work experience at YO1 Radio. That's why. So I can keep an eye on him. Where are you?
That's funny.
Yeah, I thought that. Let's go in. Well, Ben's been at it for about an hour and a bit now, and he's in Studio 3. How are you doing, Ben?
Oh no, I've messed up again.
So Ben's listening to songs, matching them up against the artist and title, and then he's about to top and tail them in an editing machine, and then he's going to be uploading them one by one into our music system. And he's enjoying it. You really are, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Aren't you?
Yeah, you've messed me up.
We're now on to the editing part of the audio with all the songs that he's been relabeling.
I've been doing a lot of stuff.
You have? You've been doing research and then relabeling.
Yeah,
and then also some kind of like
transferring,
and then you've been doing some detective work as well, because some of the audio pieces weren't quite right. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show Ben how to edit in here, make these larger and top and tail these songs as well, because they do need a little bit of editing. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Ben's now in the YO1 Radio studios, you can tell there, and he's been helping to put the show together, and he also appears on the show a little bit later on as well.
Yeah.
Finest moment or what?
All shows actually.
All shows, yeah.
Except on this one.
Oh yeah, on my drive show. So we're live in the studio. If I put the microphone up, there we go. Right, we're going to crack on because we've got 42 seconds, and Jessie J will then cease to sing. So I need to. That's great English, isn't it? So day 2, and Ben is editing down a commercial. This is a demo commercial, but he's done really well with the voiceover. And
for dreamers, poets, and the curious, the woods are calling you. Balls. Balls.
It's Ben's final day. He's currently in Studio 3. Just gonna go and take a quick look at what he's up to.
I need to raise his volume as well.
Okay.
Do I?
Yeah.
I mean, if I zoom out,
You can do the whole job lot.
If I zoom out, it all looks kind of balanced.
It in a way it does, but if you normalise, compress it, and then hard limit it, it'll balance out. If you want to, and then continue editing, it's not a problem. It's all very
Also,
technical.
do I need to part 1?
Yes, please. Yes. Ben's currently in Studio 4 now, putting together commercials. Yeah, just over there. That's a good thing, isn't it? Anyway, there's Ben. There's Ben. See you later. I'll sing goodbye to Magda. Final day then with Ben. We're in the studio. I'm doing my show live. It's cold because it's air conditioned. The air conditioning unit's just up there, and Ben's appearing on the show tomorrow with Chris and Jane, aren't you? So, what you are. You're going to appear. Chris and Jane, because that's what it's called, Chris and Jane Saturday brunch. But anyway, so Ben's going to be on that show tomorrow, and looking forward to it. You might want to say a couple of goodbyes on the show as well, because he appeared during the beginning of the week on the show. So, are you going to say goodbye on the show, or tomorrow? Say tomorrow. How's it been?
It has been emotional.
No. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, I have. It wasn't stressful at all. It was not that hard.
No, it's a very enjoyable experience.
Yeah.
A very enjoyable work experience. So there we go. Yeah, he wants to go back on Monday now. Bless him.
No.
Oh, you just want to go back to school?
I'd rather go there.
I thought so. So all in all, it's been a great experience for him. He's done a heck of a lot, and he's saved me a lot of time and effort, because if he hadn't been doing the things that he was doing, and I'd been doing them, and my head would be like that. Boom. So there we go. So, from us to you, thank you for watching the vlog. Really appreciate it.
Also,
you know what to do. You know what to do.
Hold on,
You say it. You say it.
Let me say something else first. You said that I can always edit some stuff for you.
Oh yeah. He'll do it when he's at home. So I'll happily pass on my bits and bobs to you. No problem at all about that. Okay.
He's just staring at us.
I know. So what do you do?
What?
Push the notification.
No, first you need to subscribe to do that.
Subscribe.
And then do that. And then, like, I think, yeah. And
Push the notifications bell.
Yep.
Like the video.
Yeah.
And comment as well if you wish.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Yeah.